Okay, y'all. So I saw Chev B slay this half wig with cornrows in the front, and I had to try it. But first, let's address this hair. This is what it was giving fresh out the braids, dry as a desert, frizzy, and looking just like I clocked out of a 12-hour shift. But stay with me because the transformation is worth it. After a good wash and condition, I came back feeling brand new. But when I looked in the mirror, girl, I realized I was giving Macy Gray. I try to say goodbye and I choke. You couldn't tell me I wasn't having a whole R&B concert in that bathroom, girl. Can you guess what I was singing? I bet you can't guess what song I was singing. Deep in my heart, you were number one star. But then you just threw my heart away. Told your friends that you were running things. Why did it have to be that way? Your fault, not wrong. Tell me how do we know? Did you guess the song right? Probably not, child. I grabbed my trusty rat tail comb, aka the magic wand of false confidence, child, and tried to part this hair like I knew what I was doing, baby. That part was giving crooked and conviction. I redid it about 3 times before I just said, you know what, it's close enough. Then I tried to separate the little edges I do have, child, from the rest of the hair. I went in again, trying to do this diagonal part. I think it's diagonal, maybe. I don't know. Geometry was never my strong suit, but I said it's good enough for the braid I'm about to struggle and do. Along came the braiding. And Lord, listen, I am not a stylist in any shape or form, honey. I do not have a license, so please give me grace, okay? This was my first time doing this myself. Truth be told, I didn't realize how thin my hair was. Because when I had a little fro, it's giving, what is his name? Richard Simmons. Let's sweat, macho man. Girl, don't act like I wasn't looking like him, child. Don't act like I wasn't giving him for a quick hot second. But if I knew how to add braiding hair, I definitely would have done so. So if you know how to do so, I recommend you doing so if your hair is on the thinner side like mine, child. But we working with what God gave me and a little bit of face. But I just repeated the steps that I saw Chev B do in her video until I was done with the front portion of my hair. That red wave is the truth. It's like I don't know if you consider that as a gel. I don't think it's a gel. Child, I don't even know what it is. But whatever it is, it be having these edges laid. And I was actually using that to kind of slick the hair down also so they can be kind of uniformed and intact. I'll be sure to link it below if you're interested in using this. I remember someone else asking me, what do I use for my edges, honey? Because I be having them things laid to the guards, honey. They still saying that? But they be uniform. They be intact. They don't be all taking up my forehead, connecting with the eyebrows. But they be, to my liking. So I'll be sure to link that down below if you're looking for some new edge control. Maybe that's what it is. And can we talk about this real quick? Have you ever paid attention to the faces you make when concentrating on something? Girl, while I was I was cracking up. Why I gotta look like that? Jaw clenched, eyes squinted. I looked like I was trying to solve a murder mystery, not braid some hair, child. Clearly, I was invested. Brief interlude coming in at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Baby, baby, baby. Boy, you came just in time. I'm feeling like I wanna ride. I still have some positions that still ain't done. Let me have my fun. Whipped cream, strawberries down your back, got cherries. Ain't nobody gotta know my name. Assume the position, the cutest on the mission. And I start at 1, come over, 2, turn over, 3, remember, you're a freak like me, I'm going my sneak, nobody's gonna do you like me, my nasty cry.
Girl, has anybody heard from Miss Adina Howard? Is she okay? I know one thing, that used to be my song.
In every place, in every face.
Then I went in with the moisturizer, honey. Like I was tenderizing some outcells. This scalp of mine needed some love, okay? We was not about to have no ashy base with this style, because I know y'all seen it a little white in the beginning. Next, I went ahead and threw in them set it off braids in the bag. You know the ones. There ain't nobody gonna see them braids. You just tuck them under a wig and keep it moving braids. The quick, raggedy, and efficient braids. They might have been lumpy, but baby, they understood the assignment. And that's all that matters. That's all. I can't be the only one that love that song. You mean to tell me you don't like that song? What about, isn't it ironic? Don't you think? A little too ironic. You know, I really do think it's like rain on your wedding day. Spring vibe. Such good vibes that you just can't take. Girl, I've been hearing something the whole song. I done already pulled out the wig. Now, let me just tell y'all about the wig. The wig was actually a full lace wig that I got from some company I reviewed probably a few years ago. I'll link it if I remember which company it was. And I pretty much turned this full wig into a half a wig. I was actually going to cut off the lace and all that, but then I thought about it like, Kira, you know what? You might want to use that again as a full wig. So I just kind of folded and rolled it, honey, and just stuck some pins in it, and you could never even tell. Was you able to tell if I had not said so? I ain't think so. I added the pins because I don't really like the combs. They kind of aggravate my scalp. And then one of them was loose. So just to have some extra security, I thought that I should add these pins, honey, because I don't want nobody to just breeze on by me and it just fall on the ground. Instead of boots on the ground, it'll be wig on the ground, child. I didn't want that for me. I want to also add, before y'all come for me, The hair was very dehydrated. It was giving thirsty bush, I'm well aware. Off camera, I did go back and add more product. But if you know, you know, curly hair is high maintenance. And sometimes it just rebels, honey. Okay? This is just what happens with curly hair. But all in all, how did y'all feel about the final look? How did it turn out to you? Be honest, but be kind. Is that not your favorite part of that song? Girl, I be so hyped when that part come on. Literally be waiting for that part to come on. Because listen, this was my first try, and I'm actually proud of myself. She's not perfect, but she's cute. And she was $3.99. I already had the wig and headband. I used my own hair. As I kept looking at it, though, I ain't gonna lie, it was giving Coolio in the front and Chia in the back. Lord. This style had to grow on me. And that headband definitely added a little oomph to it. I'm giving a whole lot of scalp and brain and cranial, you know, with them parts than I probably would have liked. I don't know. Maybe I need to... I don't know, child. I don't know. Now, I know you won't be able to guess this song that I'm singing now.
So fucking special. I wish I was special. But I'm all clean. I'm all weirdo. What the hell am I doing here?
Listen, I don't discriminate. If the song is songing, I'm singing. No, but on a serious note, give me grace. Give me grace, y'all. This was a DIY from the heart, not from the salon. Okay? Now tell me, have you ever tried this style before? Are you a half wig wearer, lover? Or are you still side-eyeing them? I get it if you are, child. I get it. Talk to me in the comments. I talk back. I love hearing from y'all. Make sure you thumbs up the video. And if you made it to the end, drop that emoji that you see in the corner, child. That's how I'm going to know it's real. If you have any tips or you trying to try this well, girl, let's chat about it in the comment section. And we going to end with my favorite selection from Angie Stone. May God rest her soul, but this is my favorite song from her. And let me know if you prefer the style with the up or down. Because I was torn, child. I was torn between the two. I wasn't sure.
Same old story back again. She's not in love, but she's just a friend. I'm sick and tired, found me to break my knees.